Do you want stronger erections, more semen, and higher sexual vitality? In Teeth Beto, I'll share 5 natural and easy-to-make recipes that will give you energy, strength, and enhanced sexual performance. Bold animated text for want more power. Iconic images representing male vitality and energy. Start your day with a magical mix of 1 teaspoon cinnamon and 1 tablespoon honey in a cup of warm water. Stir well and drink it in the morning. Cinnamon boosts blood circulation, and honey provides essential minerals to enhance your strength and energy. Un TSP cinnamon. 1 cup warm water make a powerful natural juice. 2 carrots plus 1/2 beetroot plus 1 teaspoon honey. Blend well and drink this juice 3 times a week. It's full of vitamins and antioxidants that improve sperm quality and sexual vitality. 2 carrots, la mitad de beetroot, 1 tsp honey, handful of almonds, walnuts, and raisins daily gives ye a strong boost of omega-3 zinc and selenium. This mix naturally improves sperm quality and increases semen volume while providing lasting energy throughout the day. Almonds and walnuts, raisins, daily. Try 1 tablespoon of fenugreek soaked in a cup of warm milk for 5 minutes. Then drink it before bedtime. Fenugreek with milk helps support semen production and boosts sexual desire naturally and is un TSP. Fenugreek 1 cup warm milk before bed. Don't forget to drink 1 cup of natural red grape juice daily. Red grapes are rich in antioxidants that improve sperm motility and quality, giving you daily vitality and sexual strength. 1 cup natural grape juice daily. Start using these recipes regularly, and you will notice improvements in your sexual strength, vitality, and semen volume. Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more natural energy and performance tips. Try these recipes today. Subscribe for more tips